How to create a new Apple ID on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can create a new Apple ID on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. Open up a web browser. For that, you could simply open up Chrome in your Android device. Then tap on the search bar, and in the search bar you have to type in appleid.apple.com, then search for it. So once you get to this kind of interface, tap on the drop down at the top, and here you have to tap on create your Apple account. Now you have to fill in this form. First of all, add your first name. Under that, add your last name. Also select your country or region. Tap on this drop down, and from here select your country or region. Under that, provide your date of birth. Select your day and your month and a year. Under that, you have to add in your email address that will become your new Apple account. Under that, create a password and confirm it. Make sure that you create a strong password and meets the Apple criteria. Once you're done with that, now you can add the phone numbers. First of all, select your country, then provide your phone number for the verification. Now in order to verify, you could either go with text message or phone call. So according to your preferred choice, choose one from there. Under that, complete the Captcha by tapping on this digits or the characters that you see on the interface. Once you are done with that, then tap on continue. After that, you have to verify your email and your phone number with the codes that Apple will send you. Once you are verified, done, and you have created a new Apple ID. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.